Hey there, this is Justine Calderwood again. Feeling a lot better. This has just been a little over 24 hours since the last videos that I made with some tips on some self-care if you are experiencing a head cold, headaches, COVID, anything that's got you feeling really congested up and through your head and possibly your throat. So I'm going to show you a couple things right now that I've been finding very, very helpful as well. So what I have here is just a towel that I have rolled up. It's just a bath towel I rolled up and I put it on the floor. And I'm just gonna place it basically into my mid back and just to help a little bit with the upper to mid back. And then, let's see here, I have to move down. Okay, so what I've been doing is releasing up the underside of my jaw. So this is feeling really, really good. I have a really bad sore throat, so it just feels really raw. And I've just noticed a lot of tension like underneath the mandible here. So I did show you a release on that, and I'm gonna quickly show that, and hopefully you'll be able to see this, but I'm gonna walk you through it. So you're gonna be on your back, and you can have your knees bent, or you can have them straight. And you're just gonna take your fingertips and come underneath the under surface of your jaw into that soft, fleshy part. And all you're gonna do is take your fingertips and just very gently press in and up, like you're trying to come up underneath the mandible itself. And don't get super worried about, are you on the right place? If it has tension, if it hurts, if it's sore, you're in the right place. Just go to that spot. And you're just gonna press and hold. So remember, we are releasing the fascia of the body or the connective tissue. So it takes up to 2 minutes after you start to put some pressure into the system. If you're waiting right at that barrier, so basically right where your body's pressing back, that's where you stop and you wait. And then give yourself permission to feel this anywhere in your body. So you may feel it directly underneath where your fingertips are. You might feel it into your face, your head, your throat, down into your stomach, your legs. It doesn't matter. Everything is connected through the fascia, the connective tissue. So listen to your body. Let it guide your fingers where it wants to go. So if that means your body invites your fingertips deeper, you go deeper. If your body releases in a certain direction and your fingers feel like they're gliding without sliding on the surface of the skin, you go there. But let the body lead the way. And if that doesn't make sense right now, no worries, just keep trying. Be patient with yourself, you're learning something new. So ideally, as I've said before in the other videos that I did, you want to try to hold, ideally if you can hold for 5 minutes or longer, or until the body comes to what we call a quiescence. It comes to a stop where it just feels like it's paused and it's not picking back up. That's a great time to just stop. Your body's saying, I'm done, I've had enough. And again, just trust. And if you're not feeling anything, nothing's happening underneath your fingers, probably nothing needs to happen. And find a different spot, go to another area, or try a different technique. Okay, another one that I'm going to show you is a release for the hyoid. So basically you just want to find your throat here, and you're just gonna kind of like this C-clamp with your fingertips and your thumb. And you're just gonna basically swallow a couple times and feel that movement. You wanna just be on either side of your throat here, okay? So kind of into this area. So I'm not out here, I'm in closer. And all I'm gonna do here is just bring my fingertips together. So I'm gonna do a little squeeze, and then I'm gonna press back towards the back of my head. Now, ideally, I would do this lying down. What I like to do too is take this other hand and just basically energetically connect between the front and the back. So just take this hand and kind of contour the back of your neck. And ideally, you would do this lying down, and you wouldn't be talking like I am. I'm not getting anything out of this other than the privilege of showing you what to do. So I'm gonna show you that really quickly here, and then you can practice it, okay? Now, you don't need the towel. I'm just doing it because I want to get a little bit more release through my upper back. So I'm here, find that hyoid area, gentle squeeze, just to barrier. So it's very, very soft. And once I get to that depth barrier, I'm going to press down towards the floor. I'm going to take my other hand and just place it along the back of my neck. So what I mean by just connecting energetically, I'm just making an intention of releasing anything between my hands, so my throat. So again, you're just listening with your hands. Allow things to soften. Trust what you're feeling. Ideally hold for 5 minutes or longer. Again, from a previous video, the reason we hold so long is one, we want to give the body a chance to really release. We can't force our way through. We can't speed it up. It's just the body needs a chance to release. The other reason we hold so long is because your body is releasing what's called interleukin-8. It's an anti-inflammatory, so that can help to lessen the inflammation in your body, which can then help with pain relief. It's natural. Your body knows what to do with it. It makes it. So do yourself a favor and try these tips. Stick around. I'm going to be sharing some more and explore a little bit. If you're watching this on YouTube, I've done a lot of videos and tips throughout the years, and see if you can find some other things that might help you. Definitely reach out if you have more questions or you want some more guidance. Thanks.